and welcome back to Kitty Muffin's Adventures. Woo! And we are being joined by a This is so funny. Okay, no more talking bookshelf. Aww! Good job, White. Okay. White, I have a surprise. But don't go there yet. I'll message you animal rocks. You can let's go to my den. Okay, so today is Whitepaw's birthday. So I will be singing happy birthday to her. But first, I need to set up everything. I already set up some of it. And yes, I did say I will be recording on camera most of the time now. But I can't now because, you know, it's her birthday right now. I couldn't record a second ago on camera because I was setting this up. And I didn't really want her to get too overexcited to see this video. So yeah. Let's quickly. Oh my goodness! Wait. Mat. I need 2 mats. Oop, wrong thing. I'm too overexcited right now. Let's try. Oh my goodness. I'm so clumsy right now. I'm so overexcited. Okay, I'm guessing Wolfie Pie. Well, let me message him what he wants. Okay, he wants a red pillow, so let's go shop for that. Where are the star pillows? No! No, where are they? Okay, wait. Oh, there is no red pillow. Okay, I'll just give him a brown one just because he also likes brown. And I will be keep passing by. There we are. I'm gonna get myself a white. I'm gonna get myself this one. Okay, so here we are. Okay. Okay, everything's perfect. Now, okay. Get in your place. Oh, wait, I need to hide us. My goodness, I can't believe I forgot that. Okay, I will be hiding behind this bush, and he will be hiding behind this owl. Hehehe. Whitepaw will never expect a thing. Let's quickly do this. A cupcake hat's visible. Wait. I need something bigger real quick. Oh, the bookshelf. Hopefully it'll work. That might be a little bit too big. Okay, let's go over here. Quickly avoid that. Let's see. Get behind the bookshelf already, me! What's wrong with me? Right. Okay, I should be not that visible. I think he's fast asleep right now. I'm gonna try in a second. This is gonna be perfect. I think he's still having trouble doing it. Let's see. He just needs to get rid of his pie hat. Okay. I'm sorry, cat. I'm sorry, yo. Okay. I think I have the best one. Message you, AJ Rocks. He. Happy. Okay, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday, dear Whitepaw. Birthday, dear Whitepaw. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. No. Sorry, it's not much. I didn't. I wish there was a live hand one. XD. think I'm gonna go on. Wait, where did she go? Let's quickly go to where she is. Okay, she's in the diamond shop. Okay, while she's in the diamond shop, I need to put something on trade for her. I know, it's a thing. Okay, let's wait for her. I'll have a quick drink real quick. Okay. Put something bad on your trade. Put something bad on your trade. Oh, never mind. Where did she go? She's still in the diamond shop. Let me tell her, wait, go to my den. Put something random on your trade imitate. Oh, Wolfie Pie has to go. What you said, Happy Meeting? Oh, it's so sweet. Okay, let's sing that proper song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear White Paw. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Okay. Is there something random on her trade? Okay. Let me quickly trade her many things. I'm definitely gonna trade her a rainbow skirt. I'm going to trade her a beta too. And I think I'm also going to trade her. Should I trade her a plushie or a trophy? Wait. I know. I'll also trade her. What else should I put? Yes, I'm sure. Wait. Wrong thing. The heart-shaped backpack is a giveaway, so I'm not going to trade that. Rainbow skirt. Where's the cake? goodness, where's the cake? 5th birthday cake. And these. Yes. Come on, come on, come on! Please accept! Exactly order. Oh, it was so fun actually. Yay! Now she gets the rainbow skirt. Now she has not. Now she got the rainbow skirt. Now she got the rainbow skirt. It's so amazing. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna cry. Look at my tail. It's so amazing. Okay, people. Please leave a comment down below and say happy birthday to Whitepaw. I will very much appreciate it. And yeah. And yes, 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 yes. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Let's see. 30 minutes. I failed big time, actually. Minutes till 8. Woo! Do you like your gift? Cat, you have to say happy birthday to Whitepaw. Come here. Ow, ow, ow. Keep hitting my toe. Wait. Ow. I can't believe I hit my toe again. Okay, Cat, Whitepaw. Well, links returns. If you're watching this, my cat says happy birthday to you. Ain't that right, Xavier? Meow, you say happy birthday for real. He said happy birthday. Happy birthday, Whitepaw. I really hope you have a happy birthday. So yeah, the cat will smile. OMG. Okay. Get on the bed. Now, you can go under the covers. That bow I gave you is a rare beta. I didn't know. Best gift ever. Whee! I'm just spinning around my chair right now. Sparkly bow. What the? I just yelled at him now. Oh, OMG, I meant my BFF. Should I end the vid here? Okay, so thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.